There she sits, flooded, just gleaming in the sun. There to greet a working man when his day is done. Gonna pack my paw and I'm gonna pack my am. Gonna take him down to the Cadillac Ranch. Eldorado fence, white walls and skirts. Drive just like a little bit of heaven here on earth. So when I die, buddy, throw my body in the back. Take me to the junkyard in my Cadillac. Cadillac, Cadillac, long and dark, shiny and black. Open up them engines, let them roar, tearing up the highway like a big old dinosaur. James Dean in a Mercury 49, Junior Johnson running in the woods of Caroline. Even Burt Reynolds in a black Trans Am are gonna meet me down at the Cadillac Ranch. Cadillac, Cadillac, long and dark, shiny and black. Open up them engines, let them roar, tearing up the highway like a big old dinosaur. Hey, little girlie in the blue jeans so tight, driving all alone in a Colorado night. You're my last love, baby, you're my last chance. Let them take me down to the Cadillac Ranch. Cadillac, Cadillac, long and dark, shiny and black. Open up them engines, let them roar, tearing up the highway like a big old dinosaur. Cadillac, Cadillac, long and dark, shiny and black. Open up them engines, let them roar, tearing up the highway like a big old dinosaur.
I can see you got your eye on this old cowboy, and I can tell you never had one for your own. Or you never been around one, now you're thinking that you found one. Well, it might be kind of fun to take him home.
You giggle every time that I say yes, ma'am, and I get this feeling if I held you tight, you'd be seeing his and hers, buckles, boots, and spurs. But that's a feeling you'll get over overnight.
Cause what you gonna do with a cowboy when that old rooster crows at dawn? When he's lying there instead of getting out of bed and putting on his boots and getting gone. What you gonna do when he says, honey, I got a half a mind to stay? What you gonna do with a cowboy when he don't saddle up and ride away? You see, it takes a special kind of woman to put up with the life a cowboy leads. 'Cause his boots are always muddy and his beer drinking buddies, they'll camp out on your couch and never leave.
Don't even start to think you're gonna change him.
You'd be better off to try to rope the wind.
What he is what you got,
and he can't be what he's not, And honey, you can't hide him from your friends. So what you gonna do with a cowboy when that old rooster crows at dawn? When he's lying there instead of getting out of bed, putting on his boots and getting gone. What you gonna do when he says, honey, I got a half a mind to stay? What you gonna do with a cowboy when he don't saddle up and ride away? Yeah, what you gonna do with a cowboy when he don't saddle up and ride away? Flies and the sagebrush grows. Traditions are holding on, you'll be glad to hear. They're being kept alive by the sons of the pioneers. Like that young cowboy from old Montana, got boots and spurs and a black bandana, and he rides a wild prairie rounding up the steers. Just like his daddy, he's the son of the pioneers. Well, from Texas clear up to Idaho, from the mountains to the plains, they got the blood of Crockett and Geronimo flowing through their veins. Now the wild old west is changing some, but traditions persevere. They're being kept alive by the sons of the pioneers.